It's merienda time mga ka-simple, and today gagawa tayo ng banana snack para sa inyong lahat. Gagawa tayo ng masarap na banana crunch. Let's start cooking! Para siyang Korean corn dog, pero saging siya, saging! And ito, saging na saba. Here, we have several pieces of our saging na saba. We will make our very simple batter. So ito siya is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch. So, combination natin, very simple. And to give it some flavor, salt, sugar, 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons, baking powders. Ito siya, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix natin, mix. And we will add 1.5 cups of cold water. And what will we do now? We will just coat our bananas. Dapat mainit na yung ating pan. Ang gusto ko dito sa aking banana, saba, ay hindi masyadong hinog, no? Matamis-tamis, hindi siya overripe. Our oil is hot enough and let us fry. Fry. Yan. Ganyan, oh. Sunod-sunod na siya, oh. Yan, oh. Very hot oil. Kasi pag isa lang nilagay mo, sobrang init ng oil, masusunog na yun siya agad. So, put it there. Be sure, yan, you keep moving it around. Oh, yan, oh. Woo! Ang ganda, no? And ito siya, parang turon feels, lalo pag wala tayong lumpia wrapper sa bahay. So, most often than not, meron tayong breadcrumbs, pero wala tayong lumpia wrapper at home. So, ang key nito talaga, kailangan mong ikot yung saging para even yung cooking niya, no? Yan, hindi yung maitim yung isang side maputla. Perfect! Yan, beautiful. Di ba? Add palaman, add topping, serve with different sauces. Ay, very versatile. And of course, very delicious. And now, we'll transfer it our serving platter. Pwede na ganito. Masarap din to kahit asukal lang, di ba? Sausaw sa asukal. And eto na ating merienda of the day. It can become anything you want it to be. A very simple recipe filled with so much possibility. Ating merienda for today, banana crunch. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!